Hey GrabCAD Print users! We are excited to tell you that Alexa has a new skill. You can now monitor your print jobs on your Stratasys printers using any Amazon Alexa device. By using the Alexa app, you can check the printer status, job status, cancel a job, and more. Just set up GrabCAD Print Server on your network if you haven't already. Now that you're set up, it's time to try a few Alexa commands. Alexa, enable GrabCAD Voice.
Okay, here's GrabCAD Voice for Stratasys 3D printers. There are currently 5 printers in your account. What would you like to do?
List my printers.
The following printers are in your account. Boston Fortis 450MC. Status is pending start. Boston 250MC. Status is paused.
Alexa, give me the material status of Boston F370.
Printer Boston F370 materials. ABS blocks. Current 71. Max 90. PLA red T. Current 3. Max 60.
For more commands and help getting set up, check out the GrabCAD Support Center.